Yoga kere, ekakirol, Aguti Christine, araingo, akuspese, now Serere. Lolo, alosingaipo, ebo, kede atapa. Ekabolo, alosingo ID nesi. ID means plucking from the stems because we can't cook ebo with the stems. This is what I mean by plucking from the stems. I have now put my ebo under the sun. The purpose of putting it under the sun is to kill some small insects. It is called a loikin in Ateso. Okay, now I'm adding a magadi into the water before putting the ebo. My ebo is still drying. You can either use a magadi or a balang, but for today's case, I'm using a magadi because a balang needs to take some long process to be made, and it is made locally. So today we're using a magadi. You can choose between a magadi or a balang to make your ebo soft or get ready faster. This is how a magadi looks like. I've now put my alilot on fire. The purpose for alilot is to make ebo soft, to make it delicious. Alilot acts as local okra. If you don't have okra, you can use alilot. After putting alilot, I can now add ebo, but make sure you've washed it thoroughly because you can find maybe some particles of soil in it or insects, so you make sure you wash everything very well, then you add. Leave it for some time to boil. Then you can use your eyes to see if it's ready. Then later on, we are going to Iteso. Iteso means to add peanut paste into our ebo. The ebo is ready. So what I'm going to do is to add the peanut paste. And before adding the peanut paste, this is the peanut paste. Before adding the peanut paste, you have to mix it with water. Then stir it. After that, mix. Then you let it boil. You pour as you continue to stir it. This is how they do it. Iteso, as I told you earlier, is mixing the peanut paste with ebo, as I'm doing it now. Make sure as you're mixing, you keep stirring it. Keep mixing it. Just keep mixing it perfectly. Keep mixing it. As you can see, I'm done. And this really looks good. Then leave it to boil just for a few minutes. Then you can remove it and it will be ready to be eaten. I'll leave it like for 5 minutes to boil, like 5 minutes, then I'll remove it. Okay. Boil like 5 minutes, then I'll remove it. Okay. Now it's time to mingle our atapa. Our sauce is ready, our apple is ready. So I'm going to show you how to mingle atapa. My atapa is ready. I'm now going to put it in a plate, then serve and we eat. Our food is ready to be eaten. This is our atapa, this is our eebo, and this is our boiled meat. So I'm going to serve it to each member in my family.
Do you like it? It's nice.
Uh-oh.
Yum yum.
Ella.
Marco, do you like it? It's nice.
Ella. Ejiji?
Ejiji 9.
Oh.
Marco. Yummy yummy.
Ejiji? Ella. Ejiji?
Ejiji 9.
Oh.
Marco. Yummy yummy.
Ejiji, did you enjoy?
No, I have enjoyed a lot. It was my yummy yummy super.
Aguti Christine. La atapa ejiji meje do litabalanga do litamu nyudo be maidona. Amam le manya mtoro finalo. Anyama lo danga yasi atapa.
Ejiji 9.
Ani mama.